for he's an agent. But it is time that this country must not sit back and be run by Mr. Paul O'Sullivan. And if government fails to act on it, the men and women in this country, they're going to take it upon themselves to do something drastic on it. And it might not be what this government wants to do, because he has gone too deep in showing that he's got control all over.
Correct to say Mr. Paul O'Sullivan is one of the rogue elements that are destabilizing SAPS and wanting to capture every senior police officer at SAPS, and if you don't cooperate, he start engaging in blackmailing activities.
With no doubt, I'm going to invite the Parliament, through the structures of intelligence or structures of security and whoever structures you can come up with, to look at the
understanding. Paul is the most dangerous person in South Africa because he manipulates the system and protects the rich elites. And they show it always disappears. And anyone he or she will reach the top and Paul will control everything